Hear that? That's a mixed flock of birds. So as I was driving down this road, I heard that flock. I said, I'm going to stop here and see what I can photograph. So what I'm going to do is stick it out right here and see what comes through, and I can get a photograph of it. So come along and enjoy this adventure. So the reason why I'm so excited about this is we're in a very overcast day today. And it's actually supposed to rain for the rest of the day here. But I'm really got some really good soft light here, so I'm really hoping I can get some images here. But when you have a flock of birds like this, other birds are attracted to it. They want to see what's going on. They hear all this noise and they're going to come by. So you never know what you're going to run into. Most of these birds are probably robins and yellow rumps, but you never know. Something else could be mixed in there. So I'm going to just kind of move up and down this road here and see what I can photograph. I feel really, really good. This is kind of one of those things that you could stop and see nothing, or you could see a whole lot of different things. And today I'm hoping for a whole lot of different things. So I saw a bunch of birds low in this canal here, feeding here, and I decided to come over here. I got my chair up because I wanted to get a photo at eye level with these birds here. And they just kind of were around here. I just pished a little bit, and they started to come out so I could get a photograph of them. So they were on the edge of the branches. It's kind of exciting to see them. I mean, it is a yellow rump. They are extremely common here in North Carolina in the wintertime, but I'm still excited to get the photograph because sometimes I think what happens, and I do this myself, is that common birds, we just kind of, oh, it's just that, or just a cardinal, or just that, and we just don't photograph them. And I'm going to try harder this year to do things that I've been kind of neglecting, I think. So if these photos are any good, here they are. Just had a downy woodpecker come in. This is a fairly common bird here in North Carolina. It's a year-round resident. It's a small black and white woodpecker with a striped head, a red stripe on the top of its head here. These are a very common bird here in North Carolina, but they're very difficult to photograph because usually they're high in trees. They don't like to cooperate with photographers. And this one here came right up to the edge of the canal here and really gave me a great opportunity to photograph it. It's kind of really exciting because usually when I take these pictures, they're silhouetted, or they're not very good pictures, or it's not great photography. And I'm really hoping these images came out really well. I feel really confident about them. So if these images are any good, here they are. Well, I am very, very excited that I stopped and took these photographs. I mean, the activity has just been incredible here. You can actually hear the birds still singing behind me here. There's a lot of activity. Unfortunately, I have a 4-hour drive in front of me, and I can see the rain falling behind me. So I am going to end up ending the video here. I hope you got something out of it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to this channel because that really helps us in the YouTube world. Become a Patreon supporter. Your support allows us to keep doing this. My name is Leahy. I want to thank you for watching.